Thanks for hopping in again with me and Spike on another easy camping adventure. Today we're heading into the forest beyond the realm of graffiti vandals and litter bugs. It's a rainy day. In fact, I'm seeing a little bit of snow falling, so we'll be right near the snow line. And if you're wondering, why would you go camping in the rain? Well, it's easy. I live in the Pacific Northwest, and if I want to go camping sometime besides the months of July and August, then I gotta camp in the rain. But I've got my rain gear on, my rain hat, I've got Spike to sleep in, and I've got my canopy to hang out in, so I'll be warm and dry. Yeah, so I think this is going to work just fine. Right now there's this little snowstorm / blizzard, but it's also lunchtime, so I'm just going to go ahead and hop in Spike, eat the sandwich that I brought, and then I seen on the radar that this blizzard will pass here in maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and then I can go ahead and get the campsite set up. You know, I was hoping I was done with snow and winter, but it's only mid-February. Well, there was a little break in the weather, so I used it to quickly set up this canopy here, and now I can get my fire going because it's 33 degrees outside. It's cold. I'm going to use this striker here. You've probably seen this before. It's a piece of antler with a striker on top, and it got this piece of rawhide holding the striker itself. I was given this. This was handmade by a friend of mine named Steve. Before I left this morning to come here, I received a text message that he had passed away at 5:30 in the morning. So I sure didn't expect that. Rest in peace, Steve. Well, been kicking back here in the canopy for a while, and it's just snowing out there like crazy. But I'm getting hungry, so I'm going to go grab the food out of the refrigerator and get dinner started. But just look out here at this weather. Wow, that's crazy. I didn't expect it to be snowing up here. It's supposed to, I just looked at the weather forecast, be snowing until 3 a.m. So I'm going to keep an eye on that. I don't want to see a foot of snow up here. There's steep mountain grades with no guardrails, so I got to make sure I don't end up getting myself in trouble here. I can hear the canopy shifting from the weight of the snow that's falling. It's only been snowing for 30 minutes or something. Man, that's just crazy. Oh, but that looks good. Yeah, there's about 2 inches of snow out there already. It's only been snowing for about 35 minutes. I think I might bug out. Well, oh, excuse me. Well, I just went out and pulled in all the game cameras and stuff. I looked at the radar map, and now they're calling for a severe weather alert 2,000 feet below me. So I'm going to go ahead and bug out. You got to do what you got to do. There's a lot of snow out there, so I'm in a hurry to get out of here. Oh man, what a revolting development. What I'm hoping is that as I get down the mountain a ways, another 1,000 feet in elevation loss by the time I get to that really bad grade with no guardrails or trees or anything, that there won't be as much snow. But I was just kicking back here, enjoying some YouTube videos. I had no idea this was going on. supposed to go on for several more hours. I think I've got everything picked up except for one game camera, which is way down the road here. I'll grab that on the way out. You can see here I just sort of tossed everything in. Had to throw my sleeping bag up in the front seat because the canopy's wet. Just got everything tossed in the back here. What I'm going to do now is I've got one game camera to pick up down the road here, and then I'm just going to head for lower elevation. Well, I guess that's it. I'm heading out of here. Like I always say, it's not so much how well you plan a trip, it's how well you adjust to the changes in the plan. And this is a change in the plan. But I still have plans for next weekend and the weekend after that and the weekend after that, etc., etc. So I'm not going to get stuck up here in the mountains in a blizzard. That's going to do it. I hope you join me on my next camping trip. Hopefully it'll be more successful. Thanks for watching.